Now, without wasting time in this video, we are just going to briefly talk about Jasmycoin price update. We are going to be sticking to the daily time frame in order to get a clear picture. We are currently trading around 0.0140, and the entire market is currently in an indecisive phase ahead of the FOMC meeting we are expecting soon. We are briefly going to talk about the market sentiment and also the FOMC meeting, the probability of getting a rate cut. I think we are left with 1 day and 3 hours 24 minutes until the next FOMC meeting. Not to forget, we are going to briefly look at this important orders chart / BTC pair on the monthly time frame. This chart is one of the most important indicator to be used as a confluence to know when to exit Jasmycoin and know when Jasmycoin is going to begin to rally hard as well. We are briefly going to talk about the MACD indicator for the orders chart as well, orders / BTC pair chart as well. And as you can see, the MACD indicator is indicating we are about to flip bullish. A lot of people are not paying attention to these confluences, like seriously. Sadly, some people are still going to get sidelined at the end of the day. Now, the BTC dominance is one of the important indicators as well. I'm talking about an altcoin important indicator that can be used as a confluence. As a matter of fact, the BTC dominance is one of the strongest confluence out there to pay attention to if you really want to know when to begin to exit Jasmycoin, when to buy aggressively, when to DCA, and when to do nothing. We are also going to talk about the BTC dominance MACD indicator as well on the monthly time frame. Not to forget this very important orders chart, which is going to usher us into a massive altcoin season. If you're paying attention, the orders chart looks exactly like the Ethereum chart, but just that the orders chart is now lagging behind, which is indicating we are about to rally hard. We are going to be comparing these two charts, the orders chart and the Ethereum chart as well, and also briefly talk about the BTC price on the daily time frame. And also we are going to talk about my entry level on the BTC price as well and what I think. So let's go back to Jasmycoin real quick. Now, if you're paying attention, Jasmy has now tapped into this point of interest. I gave you guys this point of interest several days ago. And ever since we've been dropping into the point of interest, we've never lost the point of interest. Now, the truth of the matter is when we tapped into it, we got a pump to the upside several times. And the last time we almost lost the point of interest, we got an aggressive rally to the upside before getting the retracement that like fully retraced the pump we had a few days ago. The truth of the matter is, the truth of the matter is we have a clear breaker block, a multiple breaker block. I'm talking about bullish breaker block for the Jasmycoin price. That is to say, even if we are to dip briefly below the point of interest, it is still going to tap into this clear breaker block we have around 0.0136. Now, the upside potential for Jasmy is still very, very obvious. If you ask me, you might want to do a W pattern here, a double bottom. This is the first drop. And this is the bottom. Now, I think we are about to do another double bottom here to rally to the upside, which the first resistance is going to be around 0.0173. The moment we are taking that resistance out, which is going to be, I think that's more like a minor resistance. The moment we are taking this minor price out, invalidating it, we are going to rally aggressively into the 2 cent level. The 2 cent price area is where the real party begins the moment we flip the 2 cent into a support, because that 2 cent is an extremely significant level for Jasmycoin. It has held Jasmycoin price down for several months now. The 2 cent is significant in all time frame. So the moment Jasmy is taking out this 2 cent level, flipping it into a support, then it is going to be a Jasmy season. That is when you can begin to expect Jasmy to rally aggressively to the upside. My name is Isaac. For those new to this channel, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video. If you're yet to like this video, destroy the like button, smash the like button. You're welcome. So we just need to see Jasmy take out a 2 cent, and it's going to be a new price trend for Jasmy. It's going to be a Jasmy season, Jasmy against the entire cryptocurrency market. We've done that before, and I believe we are about to do that again. We are almost at the finish line. There's no point panicking selling at the moment. That's what the whales, the market makers want you to do, to panic sell so that they can buy cheaper. I'm telling you now, hold on to your horses. Whatever I say is strictly my own opinion, by the way, and should not by any means be regarded as financial advice. But there's definitely going to be light at the end of the tunnel, which is this quarter 4. If you're paying attention to the entire cryptocurrency market sentiment, fear and greed index, you will notice we are currently seated at the neutral zone, which is indicating 52 level. Yesterday was neutral, last week was neutral. Now, the reason why the market is currently in an indecisive phase in the neutral zone is as a result of the FOMC meeting we are expecting tomorrow, which is on Wednesday, 17th September 2025. Now, if you're paying attention, we are left with 1 day and 3 hours 53 minutes until the next FOMC meeting. And if you're going down a little bit, you get to see that we have a probability of a 96.1% probability of getting a 25 basis point in the next Fed rate cut, which we are expecting in September 17th, 2025. And we have a 3.9% probability of getting a 50 basis point. Now, in my own opinion, regardless of what rate cut we get tomorrow, either 25 basis point or 50 basis point, I think the market is still going to be bullish for the market in the long run. Like, seriously, that's what I think, and that's one of the reasons why you should not panic sell at the moment. What you should be doing right now is to DCA into your project, into projects you believe are going to perform well in the forthcoming altcoin season. The altcoin season is going to take a lot of people by surprise. It's going to come like a thief in the night. If you really want to maximize your profit, then what you should be doing right now is to DCA into the potential project you believe in. Now, the rate cut is going to usher in a new flow of liquidity into market like stock market, crypto market, and so on. You wouldn't want to be left sitting on the fence when the liquidity flow begins. Now, if you're paying attention to the others charts against the BTC pair on the monthly time frame, you would notice the last time we got a bounce from here was in 2017. The most recent last time was in 2021, which is the last market cycle. And when we got that bounce, it ushered us into a massive parabolic phase of the entire market. Same thing is happening right now. We've gotten a bounce in 2025 so far from that same level, which is indicating we are now gradually into the altcoin season, which is one of the reasons nobody in his or her right senses should be selling now. Whatever I say, by the way, is strictly my own opinion and should not by any means be regarded as financial advice. Like this video if you haven't already. Please destroy the like button. For those new to this channel, once again, my name is Isaac. You're welcome. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video. Now, if you're paying attention to this orders BTC pair chart MACD indicator, you will notice the MACD line is about to go above the signal line, which is a bullish signal indicating we are about to enter into a full-blown altcoin season. The last time the MACD line crossed above the signal line and also went above the zero line was in 2021 when we got this bounce from here. And what happened after then? The entire altcoin market skyrocketed to the moon. Now, we are even yet, both the MACD line and the signal line is yet to cross above the zero line, not to talk of printing a green histogram. We need to print a green histogram like this. Now, the truth of the matter is, the reason why I said you're still early to DCA to position aggressively is because the MACD line is yet to cross the signal line. That is indicator number 1. Now, the next indication here now is for both the MACD line and the signal line to go above the zero line and also above the histogram. The moment that is happening, then you should know we should already be in a full-blown altcoin season. Now let's check what the BTC dominance is saying real quick on the monthly time frame, by the way. Now this is the BTC dominance, and like I've drawn you guys attention to this chart countless times. The last time the BTC dominance crashed aggressively in 2017, we rallied aggressively, altcoin rallied aggressively to the upside. Same thing happened in 2021. Now, we are yet to get that aggressive dump on the BTC dominance, which is indicating you guys are still early. That is for those that are yet to position. You are still early and we are almost at the finish line. There's definitely going to be light at the end of the tunnel. There's no point panicking selling right now at all. Like seriously, the moment that crash is happening, is going to be fast. And altcoins are going to rally aggressively hard as well. That is where you can begin to see 2-digit pump, 3-digit pump on your favorite altcoin on a daily basis. The crash is coming, which is going to usher us into an aggressive altcoin season. If you're paying attention to the MACD indicator for the BTC dominance on the monthly time frame, it has printed its first bearish histogram, which is indicating, and also the MACD line has crossed below the signal line, indicating that the BTC dominance is about to crash. Now, if you are comparing the Ethereum chart, Ethereum is still currently in her season. If you're comparing the Ethereum chart to the others chart, both on the weekly time frame, you will notice the others chart, which is the combination of the entire altcoin market, excluding top 10 to top 15 altcoins in the crypto space or cryptos in the crypto space. Now, the others chart is clearly lagging behind. The moment the others chart is able to completely flip the $305 billion zone into a clean support and begin to rally aggressively out of this box, just like Ethereum did a couple of weeks ago, then it is going to be a full-blown altcoin season for us. That is what is going to usher the entire altcoin market into a massive altcoin season. You guys should hold your horses very, very well. Now, this is BTC on the daily time frame. BTC price is currently trading around $114,811. Now, I have a limit order around $112,000 level. I posted it on the Telegram channel for you guys as well. Feel free to check it out if you want to like get an entry as well. So I have a limit order on BTC. So fingers crossed. Let's see how it goes. So yeah, that's that for that. And if you ask me, I think altcoin season is coming. Hold on to your horses very, very well. DCA if you can. As always, my name is Isaac. If you're yet to like this video, please destroy the like button. Peace out.